Hello, today we will guide you through how to unpublish a Facebook business page. If you want to temporarily hide your page while you refresh branding, update details, or pause operations, unpublishing is the safest route. It removes the page from public view without deleting content or followers, and you can bring it back at any time by republishing. You'll need the appropriate page access, such as admin level permissions, to complete this process. Begin by going to facebook.com and, if prompted, sign in. On the top right of the Facebook homepage, click your profile photo or account menu. This opens the menu that lets you move between your personal profile and any pages you manage. It's a small change, but it's important because the next steps must be done while you're acting as the page. From that menu, select the business page you want to manage. Facebook will switch your view so you're operating as the page. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the page's name and avatar in the top bar. Taking a second to confirm you're on the correct page helps avoid publishing changes to the wrong one. With the page active, open the same top right menu again. Choose Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. This takes you to your page's settings hub where visibility, roles, and publishing options live. If the layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Facebook updates the interface from time to time, but the options we're using are consistently found in this area. In Settings, scroll through the menu and look for Access and Control. Click Access and Control to open the visibility and deactivation tools. This section consolidates the actions that affect how your page appears to the public and what people can see. Inside Access and Control, find the Unpublish option. Click Unpublish, then continue by following the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to select a reason and confirm that unpublishing hides your page from people who aren't admins. Approve the prompts to finish. Once complete, your page won't appear in search or be publicly viewable. Your posts, photos, messages, and insights remain intact, and you can restore public visibility by republishing later. A few final tips. Unpublishing pauses public visibility, and features tied to public access, like page-linked ads or scheduled public posts, won't run while the page is unpublished. If you manage multiple pages, double-check the page name at the top before confirming. When you're ready to return, go back to Access and Control and choose to republish.